Good morning, students. Welcome back to this data structure class again. We are discussing about uh, binary search tree traversal. We are trying to write a program for tree traversal. Okay. So as I told you in the last class, first of all, we should define a self-referential structure. I call it as tree node, and it should have three members. One is the data member called info, and the other is left pointer and right pointer. Then we should have an external pointer called root. Okay, in the class. Okay, this root is a external pointer for the first node of the tree. Okay, then these are the member functions of this class tree. These two are the methods used to insert a value into the tree. One thing you should know is that a value can be inserted always as a leaf in a binary search tree. Okay, so these two functions are used to insert a value, and this is a function for in-order traversal, pre-order traversal, post-order traversal that we are going to implement now. Okay, first we go for the constructor tree type. So how do you create a empty tree? By setting the external parameter root is equal to null, I can set this one as a uh, I can create a empty tree. Okay. Next, let me go for inserting a value into the tree. First, I will go for this insert item. Okay. Insert item. What is the value to be inserted? I call it as a integer in item. Where to be inserted? I call it as t. In the tree pointed by this t, you insert that. Okay. I said t is equal to what root is pointing. Then I call this function root. Okay. Next I call this function insert. Insert this item in the tree pointed by this t. Okay. There are chances that I may try to insert into a empty tree, or I may try to insert a this item as a left child or a right child depending on the value given to this item. So how do you know I am trying to insert into empty tree if t is equal to null? So if t is equal to null, I said t is equal to new tree node. First of all, wherever I am going to insert it, first of all I need an empty node. So using the new operator, I create a empty node. Then when it is inserted into the empty tree, it is going to be the only node. So it will not have any left child or right child. So I said t reference left is equal to null. Similarly, I set t reference right is equal to null. Then I give the value of this item into tree reference info. Okay. Info is equal to item. Otherwise, what does it mean? If I am not trying to insert into a empty tree, rather I am trying to insert into a existing tree. In that case, I should check whether it is going to be the left child or right child. So by comparing the value of this item with the left pointer, we can say whether it is to be left child or right child. So else if what is this item is less than t reference left, t reference info, sorry, t reference info, then it is going to be the left side. So now we call that function insert. Insert uh, insert item comma t reference left, because it is going to be the left child. T reference left. Else it is going to be the right child. It is not the left out condition is only the right child. So else insert item comma t reference right. After doing all these things, then root should become temp. Okay, the value of so t should be given to root equal to t. Okay, that's all. Now we have created a this is the way to create a tree. Okay, by successfully calling this insert mechanism, you can keep on adding values uh, into the tree. Okay. Now, how are you going to display this in the in order, pre-order, post-order? That's what we are going to do it now. Tree type. So void. Before that, it's a void. Void type print in order of what? Tree pointed by P. Okay, then do this in order. Hmm. It's a recursive function.